Hello and welcome to Digging Life, the YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. So this is just a little tip on the Sinosmart Android head unit for the Qashqai, Duke and the X-Trail. So to get it onto Apple CarPlay, press T-Link and there you go, Apple CarPlay straight away. And no, it's not plugged in, it's wireless. Yeah, so there's your CarPlay. It is a little bit laggy because I'm using my phone as a video, so that's just the connection slowing down a little bit. It's nothing to do with the system. So let's go back. There we go. So it is still workable even when you're videoing at the same time on 4K. And now another tip to update, see if there's any updates on your system. You go into the settings menu and you go down to system and then you go down into system upgrade. Now system local upgrade, that's if you've got something plugged into the USB. So we're going to go system online upgrade, so we'll click on that and it does a little quick check current version. That's the current version, so we'll check and it'll just do a little check there, see if there's any updates. No, current is the latest version. We'll check any apps, see what's going on there. No, all fine, so there's no updates there whatsoever. Like I say, you press that, you go to your apps, you go into your settings and there it is. Let's see what else. Let's see, general. Okay, so general, and then we can scroll down to, where are we? Sleep time. So that'll shut down your whole unit when your key is in the off position. It just reboots up, which I don't think is a bad thing. Or you can set it for 3 days, so it immediately comes on. I like to have a fresh reboot every time I get in. Well, that's pretty much it. Any other information or tips or anything you want to know, just let me know. There's loads of information on within the settings, so there's lots of things you can go through. But as you can see, it's very responsive. It's tethered to my phone at the moment. Like I say, it's bringing up the weather. Yeah, that's great weather, isn't it, considering it's spring, summertime. So yeah, it's brilliant. Love it. Any questions, comments, post below. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.